L500 Pro vs L900 Pro Say, battle of the next-gen drones. Step into the future of aerial exploration with two of the most sought-after drones on the market. The L500 Pro Mini GPS drone and the L900 Pro Say helicopter drone. Both are designed for professionals, hobbyists, and content creators who demand cutting-edge features, stunning 4K visuals, and effortless control, all packed into a foldable, portable design. Whether you're looking to capture cinematic footage, experience immersive FPV flying, or simply want a smart, responsive drone with GPS and powerful stabilization, these two models deliver incredible performance at an unbeatable value. L500 Pro Mini GPS Drone, Lightweight Powerhouse. Compact but powerful, the L500 Pro is a mini drone that punches well above its weight. With a takeoff weight of under 200 grams. It's perfect for users looking for long battery life and high-quality 4K visuals in a highly portable form. Key features: 4K UHD Dual Cameras, capture crisp, clear video and photos from the sky, with a wide-angle lens and remote adjustable camera angle. GPS plus Optical Flow offers smooth hovering, smart return to home, waypoint flight, and intelligent positioning for increased stability. 1.2 km control range. Enjoy long-range exploration with stable signal transmission up to 1,200 meters. 5G Wi-Fi FPV. Get real-time video transmission directly to your smartphone with low latency and high clarity. Gesture shooting plus follow me mode. Take hands-free selfies or let the drone follow you on the move. 25-minute flight time, thanks to its efficient brushless motors and powerful 2,200 mAh battery. Perfect for travel, social content creation, and outdoor exploration, the L500 Pro is a strong choice for beginners and advanced users alike who want professional features without the bulk. L900 Pro Say Drone, heavyweight in features. On the other hand, the L900 Pro Say is built for users who want more stability, more safety, and more smart flight features. Though slightly heavier, it compensates with enhanced capabilities and better performance in wind or complex flight environments. Key features: professional 4K dual camera. Just like the L500, it comes with ultra-clear visuals and a wide-angle lens, but also supports enhanced gimbal control and obstacle awareness in some versions. Brushless motors plus 5G FPV offers more efficient, quiet, and powerful flight with low-lag video feedback. Smart obstacle avoidance, SE Max. Some upgraded models feature 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, protecting your investment in tight spaces. GPS Smart Flight includes return to home, point of interest flight, and intelligent tracking modes. 18 to 28 minutes of flight time, depending on the version and conditions. It's ready for extended missions. Foldable design, easy to carry and store, making it perfect for creators on the go. Ideal for semi-professional use, YouTubers, TikTok creators, or anyone needing a reliable drone with upgraded safety and smart features. The L900 Pro Say is built for more demanding environments. Final verdict: both the L500 Pro and the L900 Pro Say offer incredible value for money. If you're a beginner or a traveler looking for something lightweight, portable, and easy to fly, the L500 Pro is your go-to. But if you're looking for a more advanced experience with features like obstacle avoidance, more stable performance, and a slightly sturdier build, the L900 Pro Say is the clear winner. No matter which you choose, you're stepping into a new world of possibilities in aerial photography, drone exploration, and creative expression. Best use cases: vloggers and influencers capture 4K content effortlessly with smooth tracking and cinematic shots. Outdoor explorers map trails, coastlines, or cities from above with GPS-guided flight. Beginner drone enthusiasts, smart flight modes make piloting intuitive and fun. Aerial inspection, survey roofs, farms, or wide spaces with FPV vision.